Alright guys, so I had some extra walnuts. I can't even remember what I bought them for. And some white baking morsels. Can you believe I thought those were the macadamia part of the cookie? Anyway, we're going to make walnut white chocolate chip instead of macadamia white chocolate chip. And we'll see how it goes. I'm kind of excited. Hopefully it comes out amazing. Alrighty, so step 1, it says add 2 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour. 2 1/3. I'm gonna try my best not to make a mess. And that is a lot of flour. 1. I feel like that owl. The one that counts in the middle of the Oreo. A 2. And then where's the 3rd cup? Right there on the bottom. It's okay to be off a little bit. Your grandma does it. You'll be alright. Alrighty. And then we put a tablespoon of baking powder. Or baking soda, like the song. I got baking soda. I got baking soda. Oh, that'll work. Here, we'll put it over there.
Oh my gosh.
A little bit. There, yeah. Plus, I already threw the other part of the spoon in there. A little dash more. Alright. Alright. And then, what was the last piece? Get in salt, blend flour, and salt on a low speed. How much salt? A teaspoon of salt. Alrighty. Alrighty, so we got all the dry ingredients mixed. You know what? I need some more lighting going on in here. That's it. Alright, much better. I can see now. And now we're going to add some walnuts. I don't know how much is too much. That looks exciting. Yeah, that'll work. And then we'll mix it around. I wonder if this whisk will be good enough for... Oh yeah, perfect. All the dry stuff, and next is going to be the wet stuff. It's going to be butter and sugar pretty much, and then we mix them all together. Oh, and I think eggs are going to be in the other one as well. Almost forgot to add the most important part. What the heck? Why is it not updating? There we go. Maybe that'll work better. The white chocolate. The rest of that. Oh yeah, it's gonna be amazing. I don't know how many cookies it's gonna make. It's gonna make a lot, I bet. So it calls for 2 sticks of butter, softened. Put it in the microwave in a bowl that's not microwavable. Thanks, Kathy. I appreciate that insight after the fact. But anyway, we move on. So it's gonna be 3/4 cups of brown sugar and white sugar. I don't know if I believe in this. This seems like quite a bit of sugar. Alright, I'll follow the measurements. Follow the measurements. That looks like 3/4 of it. Smush it all down. Let's see. Oh yeah, perfect. If I crush it down, alright, perfect. Now, 3/4 cup of the white stuff. Dev, I need to get me like a camera person or something.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Once I get that stand I bought on Wish for $1, it's gonna make its own money. Alright, can I stop there? I don't really... Yeah, that's not 3/4.
Where are we? What are we
3/4. There we go.
That looks good.
Let's just double check, because I mean, that seems like a heck of a lot. 3/4. Yep, 3/4 cup. Crazy. Okay. Oh, and the huevos. Those are next. That is exciting. Alright. Break time. Alrighty, we got the vanilla right here. See how it goes. It says 1 TSP. I'm hoping that's a teaspoon? Tablespoon? No one knows. The world may never know. Alrighty, poured it in the little thing and oops. Great. Now I'm going to try to be like Gordon Ramsay. Oh, crack an egg with one hand. Wish me luck. I'm hoping no shells get in there. Oh, that. Yeah, Eddie Ogden. You can do that? Did you see any? No shells. Nice. That's one down. One more to go. It's like, oh, I don't know. Perfection. No double yolk today. We weren't that lucky, but we'll keep going. Mix that up right now. I just gotta wash my hand. Once I get to the big times, I'll get one of those. Damn, this thing is filled. When I make it to the big times, I'm gonna get one of those kitchen mixers that they make the pan dulce in, and just have it mix it, and then I'll just sit here and talk with you guys. Maybe have a beer, but right now we gotta put some sweat equity in. So I'll show you the product when we're done with the mixing. So So after I finish mixing right here, looks pretty like whipped. It looks pretty creamy, kind of cool, like a spread for a Philadelphia cream cheese. But anyway, I think I'm supposed to pour that into here, but no, the other way around. No, that's right. But I think I'm gonna do it that way because that bowl's bigger. We'll see how that works out. Came out of it pretty well. Used the handy dandy scooper right there. Now mixing this might be a little difficult. It's kind of dry, but see if we can get it to work with us. We'll see. Alrighty. That took a lot more effort than I thought it would, but it's going to be exciting. Got confirmation from my expert baker over there that it looks good, and now I can scoop it onto the, what do you call this thing? Sheet pan? Pan sheet? Yeah. Alrighty. They look pretty legit. I'm not going to lie. Came out looking pretty snazzy. See if they come out pretty crispy and goldy brown. Oven's ready. I think it's like 45 minutes and they'll be done. Alrighty, because we practiced safety. I already pulled out one, going on for the next one. And, oh, look at those. Oh, yeah. That is nice. These are the big boys. Not a baker, but my buns are hot. Also, like Kathy said, I tested it out. It's going to be soft. Let's see. Oh, yeah, pretty soft. Crunchy on the inside. Listen to ASMR. One bite, everybody knows rules. Fucking amazing. You guys are gonna have to try this. Bomb.